Copy background is used to make a copy of all content visible beneath a layer and place that into the layer itself. It's most often used to make an effect appear within a certain region instead of a whole layer. Let's use the mosaic effect over this person's face. Tap plus, then shape, then choose circle. Tap the circle, then effects, and swipe over to copy background. The shape is now filled with the background. Move the circle and resize to the person's face. Now, let's add the mosaic effect and we've successfully covered their face. If you're masking a person's face in a video, use Move and Transform to move the shape as the face moves.